Updatable Camera Database for red light, speed camera locations. Free updates for 1 year. Manual camera entry function for up to 1,000 locations. Compass with directional north, south, east, west voice prompts. Features estimated trip meter. Speed selectable filter. Selectable over speed warning. Highest speed meter and odometer with mph or kph display. Includes USB cord for connectivity via PC and/or PDA. Whistler RLC-360 PRO3600 Laser Radar Detector GPS Kit Module Accessory adds the following GPS features to the Pro 3600. Red light, speed camera locations. Updatable camera database. Free updates for 1 year. Manual camera entry function for up to 1,000 locations. Compass directional north, south, east, west voice prompts. mph or kph display. Selectable over speed warning. Speed selectable auto quiet. Speed selectable filter. Estimated trip meter. Highest speed odometer. Digital clock. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, but you better enjoy installing things. This works great, and because the majority of the components are under the hood and dashboard, there's nothing to steal. The display head is small enough that it can barely be seen from outside the car. At these prices, I did not want to have to worry about thefts at valet parking or smash and grab break-ins. This item was just what I was looking for.